So you'll want to use ChatGPT from OpenAI in your n8n account. Let's set that up in less than 2 minutes. Now, if you don't have an n8n account yet, you can get some free ChatGPT credits using the link in the pinned comment. That starts a new free trial of n8n, and they offer free credits as of the time of this recording, so use it while you still can. Let's dive in. We have this starting node right here. Let's open this up. Let's search for OpenAI. Let's select message a model or whatever other action you're trying to do. At the top, you'll see credential to connect with. Go ahead and click on create new credential. If you're brand new to this, you'll likely need to do that anyway. We need to fill in our API key. Super simple. One of the top links in the description is to platform.openai.com/settings organization API keys. Open that up. Top right, we have a button. Click on that. Name it. I'm going to name mine YT demo. Name yours whatever you want. And you can select a project. You'll have a default project. If you just have that, select it. Some of us might be more organized, so select whatever project you want, and then click on create secret key. Afterwards, go ahead and copy this. Go back over to n8n and paste it in right here. And you should see this green message after a second. Good, everything's working. You now are connected from ChatGPT to n8n.